Hi there, I'm Dean Virnig. This is my wife Lois, along with our children Brian, Alyssa, and Rachel.
Welcome to Virnig Manufacturing, where family values and quality craftsmanship come together.
Established in 1989 in Pierce, Minnesota, our journey began with a simple mission: to provide quality attachments that challenge industry standards.
Thanks to the support of our loyal dealers, customers, and hardworking team, we've grown into a leading manufacturer of skid steer, compact tractor, mini skid steer, and mini excavator attachments, serving customers across the United States and Canada.
Our commitment to excellence has led to several expansions, including our state-of-the-art facility in Rice, Minnesota, and our most recent acquisition in Pikeville, Tennessee.
Today, Vernig's facilities encompass all aspects of the manufacturing process, from engineering and fabrication to assembly and shipping.
Fabrication area, where raw materials are transformed into precision parts that form the backbone of our attachments. Our advanced equipment, including CNC saws, mills, and lasers with automatic load and unload systems, ensures efficiency and precision with every cut.
Every part is labeled and stored until it's needed for an order. PCA then selects all the necessary parts, loads them onto a pallet, and delivers to a production bay.
In the production area, skilled welders and robot welders work side by side to bring our attachments to life. With our dual-armed robot bays and dedicated weld bays, we can produce attachments with speed and precision. Once the attachments are welded and assembled, they move to the paint area. Our 3-stage wash and powder coat paint system ensure a durable finish that can withstand the toughest conditions. In the assembly area, the final touches are added to each attachment before going through our quality check.
Quality is our top priority. Every attachment undergoes rigorous inspection to ensure it meets our standards. From our facilities in Minnesota and Tennessee, our products are delivered to dealers across the United States and Canada.
It's thanks to our dedicated team and loyal customers that Virnig Manufacturing continues to grow and thrive.
From our family to yours, thank you for choosing Virnig.
We're proud to be your trusted partner in quality attachments and look forward to serving you for many years to come.
Here's some B-roll. Hello. Just gonna sing to you guys. Yeah. Okay, you think we got it? Cool. Goodbye. Have a good day. Okay, bye.